Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring an important part of speech that adds depth and precision to your sentences, adverbs. At a C1 level, we'll be looking at some advanced ways to use adverbs to add detail, emphasize points, and clarify actions in everyday conversations. So, what exactly is an adverb? In simple terms, adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. They give us more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For example, in the sentence, she speaks fluently, the adverb fluently tells us how she speaks. Adverbs help make your language more dynamic and expressive. Let's go through a few examples to see this in action. He completed the task efficiently, or she graciously accepted the award. Here, efficiently and graciously are adverbs that enhance the verbs they describe. At a C1 level, we also start to see adverbs being used to convey emphasis or subtle changes in meaning. For instance, instead of saying, he was tired, you could say, he was absolutely exhausted, where absolutely intensifies the adjective exhausted to show just how tired he was. In daily conversations, adverbs are incredibly useful. Imagine describing a recent trip, you could say, the scenery was incredibly beautiful, or we walked endlessly through the city's winding streets. Or, in a work setting, you might say, she thoroughly reviewed the report, or the project was almost complete. These adverbs add layers to your statements, allowing you to share more details and make your speech sound more natural and fluent. Before we finish, I encourage you to try using adverbs intentionally in your sentences to bring out more meaning and emotion in what you say. Remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying the podcast. Your support helps others discover the show, and we love hearing your feedback. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about adverbs at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.